Welcome to the third video on Foundation Design of Building. My name is Rajiv Ranjan and pursuing MTech from LNCT Bhopal. In this video, I will explain analysis, design and detailing of MAT Foundation by using SAFE software. As we know, MAT Foundation consists of large slabs supporting several columns and wall in two or more rows, and it is used for tall building or heavy loading structure where soil bearing capacity is low. This is the analysis result of 23-story building which I have analyzed in previous video. By using this problem statement, I will design foundation for building. There are total 16 columns in the foundation. All outer column has same dimension, that is 500 into 500 mm each, and inner column has also same dimension, that is 600 into 600 mm each. The dead load and the live load on each column is different, and the material is M40 grade of concrete and HYSD 500 rebar. Basic calculation for foundation design are illustrated here. So I am going to use this value for design of foundation. Open SAFE software. In SAFE software, go now to file menu of new model. In design code, select IS456 2000. In unit, select metric default. Click on OK. In design preference, minimum cover slab. The minimum clear cover for slab in foundation is 50 mm each for both top and bottom, as this is a standard value as per IS 456 2000. Preferred bar size is 22 mm. Click on OK. Now select grid only option. The total number of grid in X and Y both direction is 19 to form 18 rows and column with a spacing of 1 meter each. Now click on OK. Now define material. Go to define menu, select material. I have already defined two material. The material has been defined using a standard value of M40 grade of concrete and HYSD 500 rebar. Click on OK. Now define various properties. Go to define menu, select slab properties, add new property, mat footing, property name, slab material M40 and slab thickness take 900 mm, and check design. If design will fail, then increase the thickness of slab. Click on OK. Again OK. Now define column properties. Go to define menu, select column properties, add new property, define column 1 first, material M40, dimension 500 into 500, click on OK. Now define second column property, material M40 and dimension 600 into 600 mm, click on OK. Again OK. Now define soil subgrade properties. Go to define menu, select soil subgrade properties, click on soil, modify show property, and in property subgrade modulus is 3 into 10 to the power 4. Click on OK. Now go to define menu, select load combination, add new combo, load name dead load and live load, scale factor 1.5, and in design selection check strength, click on OK. Now again define second combo, load name dead load, live load, and now scale factor is different, that is 1, and in design selection tick service and click OK. Now again click on OK. I have defined all the properties. Now draw the element. Draw slab, select corner point, other corner point, and next third corner point, then fourth corner point, and close the figure to form slab. Now slab has been formed. Now draw column. Go to draw menu, select draw column. First draw column 1 at the outer side, and then inner part of the foundation draw column 2. Property above column 1, property below none, height below 0, and height above 2. Now draw column at the distance of 6 meter each. Similarly, draw all the outer column first. Now draw inner column of footing. Now cut the dialog box. Press escape. Now draw design strip. Go to draw menu. Select draw design strip and draw strip in both layer A and B. Width 4 meter each. Click at one point and join to other end point through center of column and right click. Similarly, draw other strip in layer A. Similarly, draw design strip in layer B. Select strip layer B. Select one point and draw till last point through center of column. Similarly, draw all other layer of strip B. Now for clear view of design strip, go to set display option. In design strip object, select all three box and click OK. Now we can see clearly design strip in both X and Y direction of strip layer A and B. Now again go to set display option and unwand the option. Click on OK. Now I have drawn all the element. Now next step is to assign the element. Now select footing. Go to assign menu, support data, soil properties, and select soil 1 and click on OK. The soil property of required subgrade modulus is assigned properly. Now assign the dead load and live load on each column. Select center point of column. Here check for correct selection. One point selected. Go to assign menu. Load data. Point load. Load name dead. And gravity 1850 kilonewton and dimension 500 into 500. Click on OK. Now again select center point. Go to assign menu. Load data. Point load. Now change load name as live. (797.6 kilonewton) and click on OK. Similarly, assign the load on each column. First assign on the column 1 and then assign the column 2, as the sizes of column is different for column 1 and column 2. Now I have assigned the dead load and live load on each column. Now we can see the dead load and live load by click center point of column, right click in load. Now here we can see I have applied all the loads. Click on OK. Now apply rebar material. Right click on footing, design, rebar material, HYSD 500. Click on OK. Again OK. So no need to define rebar material in column. Now change rebar material in design strip also. Click on design strip, right click, change rebar material, HYSD 500. Click on OK. Again OK. Similarly define in strip layer B, right click, rebar material HYSD 500. Click on OK. Again OK. Now I have apply rebar material on footing, column and design strip. Now select 3D tab, go to set display option. In option select extrude view, click on OK. Now we can see column clearly in 3D view. Now go to XY plane, unwand the selection, click on OK. Now go to run analysis. Once analysis is complete, it shows slab displacement value due to dead load by default. Now we can see the footing is displayed in different color. Here -4 indicates displace 4 mm downward direction opposite to Z direction. Now go to 3D tab, select start animation. The action of footing due to load is showing through animation. Now click on stop animation, XY plane. Now go to again run analysis and design. Then go to display menu, show punching shear design. For design is to be safe, the punching shear ratio should be less than 1. But here in some column, the punching shear ratio is greater than 1. So we have to redesign. So now go to again, first unlock model, then go to define slab properties and increase the thickness of slab. Now consider 12 mm and click on OK. Now again OK. Now run analysis. Now run analysis and design. Go to display menu, show punching shear design. Now we can see every column has punching shear ratio less than 1. So our design check is now complete and this is safe for construction. Now we can see some result. Right click on center of footing. We can see punching shear detail. Here punching shear detail for load combo 1 is showing. Now change combo 2 and check punching shear design. Click on done. Now go to display option, strip force, select shear force, dead load and apply. Now close. Now we can see shear force value and their diagram, shear force diagram. Now again go to display menu, select strip force, moment, apply. Now we can see moment diagram and also see moment value. Similarly, we can see torsion axial force value by using display option. Now again go to display option, show slab, click on apply and OK. Now we can see reinforcement intensity, which is in mm square per meter. Now go to display option, show crack width, apply and close. Now crack width would be displayed. Now go to display option, show table, concrete design, click on OK. Now here we can see the status. The status is OK. So our design is now complete and safe for construction. Now click on done. Now go to run detailing. Now detailing of each column reinforcement would be displayed. Daily component view, revar save. Now here we can see revar save code. So now we can see forming plan in detailing menu. Thus our design check is complete and this is ready for construction as this is safe design. Now